Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how the WooCommerce Abandoned Cart plugin works. So let's get started. First, install a plugin like Abandoned Cart Lite for WooCommerce or Cart Bounty. Once it's installed, go to WooCommerce, then select Abandoned Carts. The plugin automatically tracks customers who add items to their cart but don't complete the checkout process. It records their email addresses and cart details for follow-up. Next, set up automated reminder emails that go out after a certain time, for example, 1 hour, 6 hours, or 1 day after the cart is abandoned. You can fully customize these emails, add discount codes, or include direct checkout links to encourage customers to complete their purchase. The plugin's dashboard also shows key insights like recovery rates and total revenue recovered from abandoned carts, helping you see exactly how much sales you've regained. And that's it now. You know how WooCommerce abandoned cart plugins work and how they help you recover lost sales. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.